Carbon and its compounds 10th class for both the state board and CBSE. What is addition reaction? Explain, important topic for 2 marks. So you know alkenes and alkynes participate in addition reactions to become alkanes, that is unsaturated hydrocarbons participate in addition reaction. So the reaction of unsaturated hydrocarbons, with hydrogen to become saturated hydrocarbons in the presence of catalyst nickel is called addition reactions. So addition reactions, in addition reactions which are participating means unsaturated hydrocarbons. But what are unsaturated hydrocarbons? Hydrocarbons having at least one double bond or one triple bond between the carbon atoms is called unsaturated hydrocarbons. Example for unsaturated hydrocarbons are alkenes, alkynes. So now we are taking an example. Unsaturated hydrocarbons combine with hydrogen in the presence of catalyst nickel, and then after the reaction they become saturated by losing a double bond or a triple bond. So they get all single bonds. So all single bonds are there in saturated hydrocarbon, that is alkanes. So alkenes become alkanes, alkynes becomes alkanes. So example we are taking ethene C2H4. So this is ethene. It is combining with hydrogen gas in the presence of catalyst nickel, and formula becomes C2H4 and H2H6, and this is ethane. And here between the carbon atoms double bond is there, remaining are each carbon, this is double bond, and here only single bond. సో ఇక్కడేమో రెండు కార్బన్స్ ఒక్కొక్కటి డబల్ బాండ్ కలిగి ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేలకు అన్ని సింగిల్ బాండ్స్. సో ఈథీన్ ఈజ్ అన్సాచురేటెడ్, ఈథేన్ ఈజ్ సాచురేటెడ్. ఇట్ ఈస్ alkene, it is alkane. We are taking a one more example. For example, ethine C2H2. This is ethine combining with H2 in the presence of catalyst nickel and becomes C2H4, and this is ethene, and again this will combine with hydrogen in the presence of catalyst nickel, becomes C2H6. This is ethane. So this is unsaturated hydrocarbon, it is unsaturated hydrocarbon, it is saturated hydrocarbon. So this is an alkyne having a triple bond between the two carbon atoms and hydrogens, these two. So now here it is between the two carbon atoms double bond, and each carbon bonded with hydrogen with a single bond, and here all are single bonds. Each carbon is bonded with 3 hydrogens. So like this. So alkyne becomes alkene, alkene becomes alkane, unsaturated, saturated. So ఈ విధంగా ఇవి అడిషన్ రియాక్షన్లో పార్టిసిపేట్ అవుతాయని చెప్పవచ్చు. సో ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఫర్ 2 marks or 4 marks. So with example we must explain reaction of unsaturated hydrocarbons with hydrogen to become saturated hydrocarbons in the presence of catalyst nickel is called addition reaction. That's all this is.